Hello, this is Naira and we are going to talk about catchment mapping today. So let's begin. Have you ever noticed that fisherman only spreads his net up till a certain limit in a sea? This is because fisherman has boundaries set to define his area for catch. Similarly, in sales, to get a client or customer, we are allotted designated area to search for our customers. This is called catchment area. So Naira, what is catchment mapping? Well, catchment mapping is a study done by companies to know the important points to attract customers. So let's look at an example of ABC cycle who wants to set up a store. The customers could be children, adults, and purpose of buying could be need or gifting. To know our spot for the store, we must look for a locality with maximum societies where people have spending capacity of 7 to 15,000. That will be our spot. This activity done before putting up the store to find a spot is called catchment mapping. So let's quickly summarize. Catchment mapping is a demographic study or people-related study on important points relevant for any company to attract its customers, and what we receive is going to be a prospective customer profile after the study. Thank you for watching this video. Happy learning!